Namaste everyone. Let's do a meditation. So, a big part of this meditation is breath work. So, first I have to explain you the method of breathing in this meditation. We are using a technique called Bhastrika. It's a deep breathing where you inhale slow and deep in your lungs, in your abdomen, and then you exhale with force. So every time I will ask you to do Bhastrika, we are doing 3 rounds. So first round 10 Bhastrika, second round 20, and third 20 to 25. All right. So every time I will ask you to do Bhastrika, it is inhale long and deep, and sudden exhale. You can also exhale through the mouth. So this is all you have to understand, so you don't get confused. All right. If you want to understand something in the middle and you want to visually take help, you can open your eyes and see me. Towards the end, when I will ask you to become silent and meditate, then you will not open your eyes. All right? So let's begin. Keep your hands relaxed. I'm not very fixed with mudras. You need to be comfortable and at ease. Just keep your spine straight. Chest is open, so your shoulders are back. Okay? You don't want to round. Keep your spine long. Feel happy for being here. Take few long and deep breaths in and out. Become aware of your body, the energy of the body. Become aware of your breath. Breathe a bit longer and deeper. And build your focus. Observe how the inhalation feels. Observe how the exhalation feels. Now continue long and deep breath, but you're not breathing so deep that you're reaching to the capacity of your breathing. No, it is not that intense. Your breath is deep so that your mind is focused, but it's still comfortable. Now, every time you exhale, draw the navel in. So pull the belly in like you're vacuuming. You're creating a vacuum in your abdomen. Pull the belly in. Then inhale nice and deep. Exhale out. And let the belly shrink inward. Continue breathing like this. Don't rush. Stay calm. The rushfulness will not let you meditate. It's anti-focus. Alright everyone, now we'll get into the first round of Bhastrika. It is 10 Bhastrika, right? I'll guide you through few and then you will continue till 10. All right, inhale long and deep. Exhale suddenly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale long and deep. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 5 more on your own. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Just relax. No more effort. Simply observe the silence, the vibrations. See the sensations. Alright, let's do another round of Bhastrika. Let's do 20 rounds of Bhastrika. Inhale. Continue like this. But if you don't feel comfortable, if you start feeling dizziness, just stop practicing Bhastrika. Just be normal. But if you're fine, you're enjoying the process, continue. And then after 20 rounds of Bhastrika, again stay silent. This time when you become silent, pay attention. Pay attention to the dark space in front of your closed eyes. There's an infinite dark space in front of your closed eye. Peacefully just observe it. Now we'll do the third round. But this is not exactly Bhastrika, but simple, deep breathing. So you breathe long and you breathe out long and deep. Don't rush. Slow, meditative, deep breathing. You can feel now the whole body is breathing. You're breathing through the pores of your skin. As you breathe in, your whole body is filled with the breath. And then you empty out. Few more long and deep breaths. The whole body breathes in. The whole body breathes out. And now relax. No more effort. Breathing is natural. It continues on its own. Let go of all efforts and just witness that which is already happening. Now slowly bring your awareness back to your natural breathing. Take few Full deeper breaths just to externalize your awareness. Slowly drop your chin down. And very slowly open your eyes. Look down to the mat, the floor. If you want to sit longer, if you're really tuned in to the meditative zone, just stop the video, pause it, and continue the silence. For me, this is all I have to offer you in this meditation. Please let me know, how do you feel? This meditation for you. You use your breath to bring silence, to focus your mind, to go deep into the meditative consciousness. That's all. Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much.